There is absolutely no doubt what car is the star of this year's New York Auto Show. It's the brand new 2013 Viper. It's back, and it's no longer a Dodge, but part of the brand's new SRT performance division, and it will be its flagship machine. The first thing you'll notice is the car's new, yet very distinctly Viper design. And you can tell that there's a lot of influence from Chrysler's new owners at Fiat. There's a lot of Ferrari in this car, and you can even see, in my impression anyway, some 575 Maranello. The big question on the new Viper was going to be, what engine would it use? Well, that's been answered with a familiar 8.4-liter V10 engine. Now, it makes 640 horsepower and 600 foot-pounds of torque, although SRT engineers have lightened the engine itself by as much as 25 pounds. Continuing the weight savings, the Viper is actually as much as 100 pounds lighter than the previous car, and that's thanks to a lot of different components, especially the use of carbon fiber. This car actually has a carbon fiber hood, roof, and rear deck lid. And if you go inside the car, there's been a lot of lightweight technologies used there as well. We're even talking about carbon fiber Kevlar racing seats. Other highlights include a stunning interior on this car. They really took some inspiration from the Italians there. We've also got adjustable shock absorbers, and who could forget some massive 355 wide rear tires. So you can really put that power down, and we can't wait to.